edges. Edges all around here. This piece is done except for the edges. So that's where the rasps are important. That I begin to get in those areas that really need attention. All up underneath the eyes. Here. All my edges. And particularly on the outside. Round off all my edges. I was reminded of what I needed to do. A brother who was learning from the same mentor that I had learned from came by and was at a show I was at, and I was showing off my pieces, and I asked him what did he think. Of course, I was just thinking about my creativity, but he was looking at my workmanship, and that was his critique. All my edges weren't as smooth as they should be, like I am right now, rounding off my edges, rounding off all my edges, finishing it off. Well, that was what his critique was, and it makes for a better piece. I'm an Aries, and I have a problem finishing, so I have to really pay attention to my endings. And so it makes me a better artist to finish off my edges and improve the quality of my work.